Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is V. Today we are using number 14 from the Pat McGrath's Lab Celestial Divinity Eyeshadow Palette. And number 14 today, the name is Smoked Amethyst is today's color. Smoked Amethyst looks like this. It's a pretty dark purple with black undertone. It is gorgeous. I'm going to put a base color down. I already have my primer on my eye, so I'll put a base color down. I'm trying to stay as close to my eyes as possible. Already have a boo-boo. already making it messy. I'll clean it up later. I already have my face powder on. So I'm putting this color down as my base color. Base color down. That will our amethyst color looks like this in the pan. I used this color for the base, and now I'm going into our color, which is number 14, which is amethyst. So here we are. We are getting there. Trust us. This is amethyst right here. Now I'm going to use a brush to fix everything, because we need to make everything look seamless. So I'm going to take this brush. I have nothing on it, it's a clean brush, and I'm just going to go around the edges. As I'm going around the edges, I'm blowing it up closer to the brow bone. Now I'm putting something on the brush, the same color, because I need to add some color back in. And just work that color up to the brow bone. Another one, we are doing the same thing. Now we need another brush so we can fix amethyst. So I'm using this brush right here to fix amethyst. I'm gonna dig into amethyst and just smooth. I need to do a little bit more blending, so I think I will. I'm just meshing these together. And then I'll do all the blending off camera because it's a lot and I don't want this video to be too long. So the rest of the blending I will do away from the camera, so it saves us time. So this is what we are looking at right now. Remember our 14th color, I'm using it in the outer corner coming inwards. So that's our color for today. I am using Mented blush. It is called Buried Away. That's the color. It's beautiful. I did the rest of the eyes. I took some of the smoked amethyst and put in the inner corner on both sides and also underneath the lash line. So we're just gonna do blush and then we will be almost there. We're now doing lipstick to finish up. Lip liner. Lip liner. Now our lipstick to finish up this pretty eyes, baby. Black lipstick, just need black. I need something strong, so I pick black lipstick. Fix that lipstick. We are complete. This is the 14th color for today. It is smoked amethyst and it is in the outer corner and the inner corner and under the lash line. That's smoked amethyst from the Celestial Divinity Eyeshadow Palette Pat McGrath, number 14 today, and we are almost down to the wire. We have 4 more colors. This is today's makeup look. This is the makeup look for today. I hope you like. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Thank you again for watching. If you like my content, you can subscribe to my channel. I always appreciate that. If you're viewing, I appreciate that too. Thanks again for stopping by Simply You Makeup channel. Color number 14, and this is today's eyeshadow makeup look on hooded eyes. Baby, leave your comments below. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. I will see you soon.